Hello, welcome to part 3 of my PCR demonstration, where in this episode, our final part, we will be going over what happens in the molecular level of the process of PCR. So here we have our little DNA strand, and with all the heating and recooling that it's going on within the thermal cycler, they actually split apart, and then we inject the primers into the PCR tube, which puts our little primers in there. Then we get our DNA polymerase. Put that there. Once the polymerase gets injected in there, it's like it reads it. It's like doop, and then it's like doop, and then so that like creates all of the matching pairs. So doop. Da, da, da. And joop. Da, da, da. And then we get two of those. Get two. And then, so what happens basically is then they split apart. And then you throw the primer and the polymerase in there. And the primer and the polymerase. And then basically that happens over and over again so many times that it creates millions or billions of what we call Alright, well you can't really see it, but it's supposed to say desired fragments, and that is basically the desired fragments are exact copies of the DNA that we got in the first place, and after the process carries over, we will have billions of these desired fragments, which gives us a larger DNA sample, which is basically the point of PCR. And so that was my PCR demonstration. Shout out to my boy Hector, who did a lot of work on this. Trust me, he just couldn't be here for the video. I know it was a bad video, but you try doing a video all by yourself. And now I'm gonna out of here. Goodbye.